Get the most discounted and best price, including free trials at the description for official website. Are you looking to unlock your brain's full potential, enhance your focus, and significantly boost your mental performance at any age, whether you're a student, a busy professional, or someone enjoying retirement? Introducing the Brain Song, a revolutionary 12-minute digital audio product developed by professionals, expertly designed to activate healthy gamma brainwave patterns in the 30 to 100 Hz range for optimal brain function. Neuroscientists often refer to Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, or BDNF, as the fertilizer for the brain because of its crucial role in promoting and supporting effective neuron communication and growth throughout the brain. The Brain Song is specifically crafted to boost BDNF production, which plays a vital role in enhancing learning abilities, sharpening focus, and promoting overall brain wellness and cognitive health. This advanced audio product incorporates sophisticated sound patterns, firmly grounded in modern neuroscience research that links gamma brainwaves operating at 30 to 100 Hz to increased BDNF activity and benefits. You can achieve a sharper, healthier mind simply by listening daily for just 12 minutes right in the comfort of your own home, requiring no special equipment or complicated setups whatsoever. Thousands of satisfied users have already reported significant benefits, including enhanced focus during tasks, improved learning capabilities for studies or new skills, and superior mental performance in daily life. The Brain Song is available right now for most affordable price, delivered digitally and instantly upon purchase through safe and secure method, so you can immediately start your journey toward a sharper, more vibrant mind today. Your investment is fully protected by a generous 90-day money-back guarantee from officials, ensuring your complete satisfaction and peace of mind with a Brain Song purchase. Please remember that this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and it does not constitute medical advice in any way. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for any medical concerns you may have. The images used here are for visualization purposes only, and some portrayals are enacted by professional actors. The Brain Song provides a simple yet effective way to support your cognitive health, helping you unlock your brain's true potential through daily listening sessions. Join the thousands of users who have already experienced enhanced focus, accelerated learning, and elevated mental performance thanks to this innovative 12-minute digital audio product. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revitalize and sharpen your mind. Visit the link below right now to get your copy of the Brain Song today and start benefiting immediately.